Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to compress PDF file size using Winrar. So guys, as you can see, I have a PDF file over here. So just simply right click on it. And from here, you should be able to see the Winrar logo and just simply click on add to archive. And this window will pop up. And from here, you can simply name your archive. So let's say I'm going to go for test. And down below, you should have an option for archive format. So you will have RAR, RAR4, or zip. So guys, I recommend going for RAR. And from here, we have the compression method. So make sure to toggle this one as best. And make sure the dictionary size is 128. And now from here, just simply click on this create solid archive and lock archive. And from here, just simply click on OK. And if you want to set a password, you can just simply click on this one. And now just simply click on OK and wait for it to load. And as you can see, the original size of the PDF is 23 and it is now compressed into 19. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.